Today, we're making an affordable lantern with a simple design. Cut 4 pieces of cardboard, 9 by 9 centimeters each, and cut 4 pieces of cardboard, 7 by 13 centimeters each. These will be the body of the lantern. Cut 4 pieces of cardboard to make the top. These are the measurements. First, start with these 4 pieces. Glue every 2 pieces together like this. This step is to make them thicker. Fold this paper in half, then cut the corner into half a circle, like this. Place the paper in the center of the 7 by 13 pieces and trace it. Then cut out the shape using a cutter. Then glue each one to a piece of foam paper. Cut the foam to the same size as the cardboard from the top and bottom and leave a bit extra on the sides. This simple technique makes gluing easier and gives a better finish. Cut out the center of the shape. Apply the same technique to the rest of the pieces. It's time to glue the pieces together using the extra foam. You can use a glue gun or super glue. Both will give the same results. As for the top pieces, cover them using the same technique, then glue them together. Measure the open area at the top and cut a piece of cardboard to these measurements. To cover this part here, you can glue a foam strip or any decorative items you have at home. To make the hanger, get 2 foam strips, 1 centimeter in width, but one is longer than the other. Fold the shorter piece from the bottom, then wrap the longer piece at the bottom like this. Glue the hanger at the top, like this. Now, grab the 9 by 9 pieces, cover them with paper foam on both sides, then cover the edges. Take one to make the base for the lantern. I'm using this battery-powered candle. Wrap a foam strip at the bottom as if you're taking its measurements. Remove the candle, then glue this piece on the base. Now it's time to glue the lantern together. Glue these 2 parts together. Then get the other 9 by 9 and glue it under the top of the lantern. Then glue these parts on the body. And that's it! The result is amazing. And no matter how much you shake it, the candle won't fall off. This project is so easy and doesn't need a lot of time to do.